Frassed Out. Hi, I'm Rae Williams. Former Kartel and Alkaline producer convinced he's found the next dancehall star. Wishful thinking, or can Not Nice deliver? And is an old feud flaring up again?
If you start a war, make sure you can war now. Somebody have to drop when me dip and dry now.
His name's Jafrass, Glendever native. His profile that of any number of DJ wannabes, except that he's been co-opted by Not Nice, the producer once closely linked to Kartel.
It's not like it didn't work out with Kartel. No, Kartel has him ways and it just happened and him end up with him end up.
And he took your stuff, for God's sakes.
Yeah, we have more.
Not nice.
So let's play again with the second verse.
Something sing.
Yeah.
A.R. When you see me on the left, I'm on the right hand far now.
Not Nice later producing Alkaline, but now aligned with Popcorn.
Yeah, no, Popcorn is like family to me. So ever since from day one, me and him always maintain that link. The chemistry is good musically.
So his latest find taken in by Popcorn's unruly camp, and Not Nice overseeing the youngsters' entry into the war zone.
If them battle them out, them fi out of this no junction.
Second verse again. Yes, because Alkaline was throwing words at Popcorn, and Popcorn not really pay him no mind. So Jafrass just decided to say he might go defend it.
Well, defending it meaning he wants people to start talking about him.
Nothing wrong with that. Is that something bad?
Not much going on right now, says Not Nice. He misses the good old days.
Juggling like I had to grow up Dave Kelly them juggling with 7 songs or even more and everything I hit. That not there again.
Times change, you have to move on, you have to adapt.
No, listen, there are going to be singles, but the fact is we still need juggling. The people who all that energy, 10 songs per one rhythm.
Think them bad, Not Nice, fly shut up and no one care what I sitting where they go for.
Some won't agree. Makes you wonder, has Not Nice lost his touch?
Give me 1 year and I'm going to write this again. I do an interview with you again and ask me the same question again. Because look, you have a friend in him bet me $10,000 say he might get Alkaline 1 year in that business. When we just start telling about Alkaline. All he not give me 10 grand. Alkaline they are same way. So Jafrass is next.
Yeah, just lip syncing. I play a clean version and just. Alright.
Party all night, but you know we party me good day too. Kingston link up, yeah, and my bay too. She wanna bring a friend.
They have to sound like somebody else that was before. They have to bring something new. You see me? People don't want to see our next vybz Kartel.
Yo, I'm not dealing with what you want from my brother. Come on, excuse your jaw, look up mama.
Everything but very different, you know. Cause every man do their own thing. We don't sound like no man, we don't sing when no man sing. It was a man say so. We just do our thing.
Got them bored, then I bust at them, now bust no head.
We not to make the hype take away. Still I keep focused on the music. We not really watch that too much, I understand, because I know so we still not reach nowhere. One heap of step there for climb, isn't it?
Well, I wouldn't say that the hype around you is particularly big right now, because I think that's yet to come if you have what it takes. Do you have what it takes?
Yeah, you're warm enough. Check you out. Unruly camp. Boy, they on the freezer, chill like beach. People are fled when they kill it, they reach. Crazy thing, man, 3 million views.
You don't seriously think that Alkaline is going to bother to respond to you?
You have to go respond.
Why? Why? Alkaline is on another level.
No, let me tell you something. This level thing in a dancehall now go work. The only man in a dancehall can tell me about level is Bounty Killer and a level, and that's it. Any other artists have to prove themselves lyrically. So I'm saying if Alkaline maybe have more songs where out there play more, but me have big song out there. Unruly Camp a big song. You see me, and that drop from January and it's still a play, still a tear down the street. You see me, so them know it go. I just say goes up part I dance all for me right now. The rough part I, cause from what the girl them say I be a little pretty boys in the dance hall. They need an ugly artist, you see me? So it goes up part I.
And you think you qualify?
100%. You have to just listen and hear the thing there.
But right now you're capitalizing on the war vibe because you think that's the way to get attention.
Well, not really that, you know. Really and truly, Alkaline put out a song named Bossed, and they must say something about country boy. You see me, country boy or countryman. And you know, say for this countryman, we are going to vex about that because we are represent the country. Westmoreland, Glendevon, Clarendon, every country, every side. You see me say, for this country, man, you know you go, you see Jafrass, you see me? Crawl up on them. Crazy.
Popcorn steering clear of local hostilities and focusing on the bigger picture, but no lack of junior officers to pick up the slack.
So, Popcorn now go recruit, no, Club Scout. To go do the party, you know, a real soldier, you see me? Not nice, no artist, so we don't have to talk no more.
But you think the war never ended?
The war can't end. War never end, it just went up on a little pause.
People grow up and people get focused on making money and moving ahead with their careers and their own lives. Not getting into schoolyard squabbles.
Nah, man, I'm not joke. Listen, most of them money they make after the war. Ask them. What day when the war go on, the amount of booking them get. You know me, I tell you, we stir up them camp all the while, make them can't find some. Because them brain lazy. It over. So, a killing season now, war season. So, I time now, so man to just prove themselves. That's all.
DJ Discord playing out against the background of a real war that's costing actual lives. Jamaicans wary of the killing, but dancehall still up for a lyrical fight.
Current Billboard reggae chart topper talking up his album Back to My Roots. But Stylez also hitting out at so-called gatekeepers.
Even not for sure.
Stylez wasn't familiar with his name until a few weeks ago.
You're not familiar with it, but a lot of people. I'm one of the biggest underground dancehall artists.
When you say underground, what do you mean?
In dancehall, I have one of the biggest dancehall underground songs in Jamaica right now. And it's called It's a Pity. Me stay to myself is a pity, dog. Oh, some of them. But the thing is, a lot of people don't know the face.
Listen to me, one prayer deal with two good songs. Me know Jah protect me, but me still a carry no.
Well, the Stylez story is basically I've been in the music industry for quite some time. Dabbling in production, writing for other artists. Future Fanboy is signed to my label, Blaze Entertainment Records. We debuted number 2 on the Billboard charts last year with Theme album. Nobody talk about it.
Defend myself to the end, pledge allegiance. Me no.
At the end of the day, me and you know, say Anthony Miller, there's no money here to make as a young artist, and even as big artist. So I'm trying my best to emerge outside of Jamaica because the money is out there.
Me no fool in a treat everything militant heal. Who me feel, who no heal, me carry on.
You have a thing called politics, and that is something. I sign up for music, I never sign up for politics, and I try to shy away from that. And I tried my utmost best to avoid people that so-called quote-unquote gatekeepers.
Them boy they are no gangster for real. Them boy they are even Orlando.
Why would the gatekeepers be trying to exclude you?
It's not really deliberately excluding, it's just that people are afraid of the new wave, they're afraid of change. A lot of people can't swim, but I suggest them need to grab a surfboard.
Why?
Because of the new wave right now.
Could I never feel away cause me no beg ratings dog.
Shout out to all of the veterans, from the killer to the beanie to the cartel. Them are veterans. Open the gate right now, the new wave. For my album, I have a vision of the beginning and of the end. Right now, it's just the beginning, so we see how it ends.
So you want to share aspects of that vision?
No, tune in, iamstylesmusic.com and join the journey. Follow the movement.
From a little and I grow so me done. And that's why me stay to myself cause me no in at the blend.
How did you get your album to #1?
Like I said, timing, execution, and the right strategy. Because you have to remember, I said Damon Marley debuted #1, and he stood on the Billboard charts for 2-3 weeks. Same thing with Chronics, they did the same thing. But after a time, the promotion, it abandoned the United States. Remember, a lot of people don't understand that Billboard is strictly United States. So when you target United States, of course you're going to be up there. Versus when you leave and go Europe and go tour, that not going to work.
Take a little, talk a lot.
For me, no matter how big I get as an artist, there's no hype in my thing. Me take my CD and go walk to you as Anthony Miller, see my CD and support me.
Me no in a different thing, so yeah, stick to that like I'm stick to glue.
I'm playing catch up. My name is basically getting bigger than I am. So basically hit the streets, hit the dance, hit the clubs, grab the mic, make the people and put the visual to the sound.
Time for them and them moves, man.
Is the dancehall scene abroad still closely monitoring and sort of following the dancehall scene in Jamaica?
Definitely not. It's not following it, none at all. They're doing their own thing.
And what does their own thing entail?
Them excluding producers like a Dan Carleon or a Dave Kelly, them excluding everybody. Because a man can take up a drum machine and a keyboard, or even a musician can take it up and say, yeah, I'm going to make something dancehall. The label say, all right, I don't need to go to the root because I can find this producer over here who can give me or mimic a sound, or even better.
Bend over like your soap just drop and bubble up and make the gangster get a wine.
The thing is, you know, opportunity is everything. Sometimes you get opportunity, sometimes you have to go for it. 90% of the time you have to go for it. A lot of times the youths, them don't have the knowledge. Unfortunately, the people before us didn't educate us enough to know the road to take. We have to educate ourselves. That's why Siri and Google is the best friend right now on YouTube. But what I'm saying is that a lot of these